the solution is we will do one thing. We will, you know, we are exporting to the interface file and a field representing the order status, the work order status, whether it's an open order or closed order.
Yes.
We will add another field in the ERP saying this field will represent the status of the closed order as well. Plus, if the percentage of production for the order is over than 95%, we will we will consider this order as closed, but in a different field in the ERP, not in the real field, just to export it to FastReact.
And then you will send that complete over to us.
Yeah, and then send it to FastReact as a complete order. So this way, both of us are doing whatever we need. And in the ERP side, the order shows it's still open because they might need it open for a period. And for FastReact to get it out from the planning board, we can because we can remove it from the planning board and free the capacity.
Correct.
Yeah.
So just sorry, just for my understanding, when does the 95% trigger? So is it once you've got the 95% of the goods ready to ship?
And it's not the goods ready to ship, but it's the goods past the sewing section. Maybe it is still in the ironing and the packing, but we consider it the remaining processes on the order itself is minor. So the important thing is to leave the production, because this is the process where it takes time. Once it's leave the production, we are talking in terms of past quality, first quality, right? Once it's a first quality and past production, we consider it ready for shipping.
Okay, understood.
We make this trial by engineer Shakir. We thank him to make this one because you illustrate last call to make a holding line to drag all the balances of orders on this line.
Yeah.
When I make this one, all these orders transfer to the loading list again.
To the loading list?
Yes. I make this already. Okay. But when I make it to the line, I didn't see it on the line, on the board. But I review the loading list. All the orders transfer to the loading list again. So I asked engineer Shakin to make this. So we thank him he makes this solution to avoid everything.
Yes, I mean, yeah, this solution is probably the better solution anyway. It's a cleaner solution, and it means the data is more accurate, at least.
Yes.
Okay, the good thing is also, I'll tell you the updates. Now it's I have updated two things: the products file and the material file. I'll send you the material, the OMET file. Okay. It's now it's the average per size. So only the size, the size is not repeated in the bill of material. And I'll send you right now, if you like.
Okay.
The new interface file, the new OMET file.
Yeah, so you can have a play around, see if it's
okay. You have a look for it. New map file. This is the new OMAT file. It's an download the new OMAT file. This is the OMAT file, and the product file also has been updated. So now I guess by these two things, Sheikh, we are ready. We are ready to complete the part of material and planning scheduling by some reports we can produce from the system, and this will help us a lot to view.
Yeah, so that's exactly. So yeah, if that's that OMAT file is all good, then we can start to build the reports off those the material data and the planning.
Exactly.
Yeah, give you that information. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, so once because what I will need to do is just import that file that you send across to my local database where I will generate the reports, and then I'll then upload the reports onto the server for yourselves.
Yeah. So for I'm calling the people at Bahia to know if they are. انتوا مش داخلين ليه الكونفرنس يا شباب؟ يا جدعان والله العظيم دافعين عليه فلوس ده ومخروب بيتنا فلوس علشانه. يعني انت مش انت اللي مقدم الميعاد يا احمد ل10:30؟ وفين عادل؟ انت مش ممانج الموضوع ده صح يا احمد خالص كده. انت مش عارف ان عندك كونفرنس 10:30؟ انا هلبسك مصيبه. انا هلبسك ثمن البرودكت ده لو ما اشتغلش. اقسم بالله العظيم هلبسك ثمنه يا احمد عشان كسلك ده. حصه العاشر هتشيلها. هكلم احمد عيسى واقول له الموضوع مش متاخد منكم باي اهتمام خالص.
This is my internet's gone down.
Hello?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, sorry. I was fighting because they forgot the meeting, so this is why I'm fighting with them. Okay. For now, Sheikh, can we go to the report? Can we explore the reports related to planning, scheduling together, Sheikh? So me and Engineer Saad can play with the reports till the next session?
Yeah, sure, that's no problem. So okay, let me share my screen. So I'm logged into your server.
Okay. Or you would like me to share my screen? It's up to you.
Okay. No, sorry, I can share my screen. That's completely fine.
Sure. Okay. Sure. Okay.
So I'm connected to the server anyway. Can you see my screen?
So I'll close FastReact in my screen and waiting to share your screen.
Yeah. So I'm sharing my screen. Can you see it?
Yeah. Now, no.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I can see your screen. Yes.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So.
Okay.
So okay. So you're familiar with where to go to the reports, aren't you? So you can just go up here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we've got quite a few different groups, but the ones that you're going to be focused on for the moment will mainly be the production ones down here. Okay. And then the ones for the the plan basically. So we can have this. Let me show you. Okay. So yeah, we've got something like this. Which
Sorry,
sorry.
Sheikh, sorry. Can we save this video? Sheikh, camera start. You are recording it, right?
Oh yes. So the recording,
Okay.
yeah, I can send you the recording afterwards. Yeah.
You can send it. Please send it to me, because whenever we want to review something, we
Yeah,
can
it's easier. Yeah,
look
it
at the record.
definitely
Yeah,
is.
great.
That's why I've
Thank you.
started to record all my sessions as well.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
No worries, it's no problem. Yeah, so this one is gives us our list. This outputs or planned outputs based on by row. So we have, you know, the row names going down the side. I may need to make that column
The
slightly
screen
bigger.
is very small, Sheikh. Can we enlarge the
See.
screen a little bit?
I'm not sure if I can make it bigger, unfortunately. Just bear me a second. Let me see if I can make it bigger.
Yeah, sure.
See display settings. Let's see if I can at least zoom in. I'll change my resolution.
انا عايز بقى نبدا نشوف بقى شويه تقريب من اللي احنا بنعمله ده، يعني بالذات للماتيريال
انا جاهز.
انت عامل شغلك كله ومحمل اوردراتك كلها والدنيا كلها شغاله والكاباسيتي بتاعتك
بس
شغاله.
الاوردرات دي معادله جديده. وفي كام اوردر كده.
Yes. Minimize that.
تمام؟
نعمل مش مشكله.
تمام.
ونحمل مش مشكله عندنا.
حلو المايك ده.
تعب 50 جنيه ولا 100 جنيه؟
ده ب 25 جنيه.
Tried to make it bigger, but unfortunately it didn't like it. So I just have to zoom in on the report anyway. That's fine.
Okay, now it's much better, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, as I said, so yeah, we've got the row name. So this is by row, and then we sort by the planned start date and how many days late. So you can see all the late orders first, and then go further down, less late orders. Oh, there's quite a few late orders. And then the quantities that we should be producing per day for that order. Okay. Now this, so I've currently got it filtered only for the next week or so. Yeah, so basically the next week. But we can probably just expand that a bit further. I can't actually see that myself now. What it says. Is that small? I know it's on the. So if we go to Control Shift. So just make that date range slightly longer than a week. So say the next 2 weeks. Okay. And there's also a version of the report if you just wanted to split it out by Menafia, Kazarine, you know, Bahir. There's a version for each plant, or you can just go to the top one for all of them. Okay. So yeah, I've just so what I just did there, sorry, before that was just add an extra week on, so you can see the plan for at least the next 2 weeks. Yeah. So just yeah, there you go. Okay. So that's one of the production outputs. Okay. Okay. So then we also have.
This is because the font is a little bit small. This menu comes from the production.
Yes, yeah, the production. So I think it's at the bottom, the very last one actually.
Yeah. And then just a minute. I'll open our FastReact version.
Okay.
To see if we have those options under the production.
Hopefully you should do if you've
maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Maybe check security. If not, hopefully they should all be ticked. I think. skim through.
So we go to reports.
Okay.
We go to the reports. Production. Yeah. Idle machine production plan. This is the production plan.
Yeah, so that's the one. Yeah.
Yeah. All branches, Bahia, Kazarin plan. And we can select whatever date or whatever. Review and print.
Yep. So yeah, you can print as a PDF or CSV.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So if you wanted to take it into Excel, yeah, you would do a CSV.
Oh yeah. And
Sheikh, can we get same report but we start per BO or style, not per line, and same report.
How do you? Oh, so yeah, okay, yeah, that's the F1 I was going to
I can from this report to get the delivery date, actually the delivery date, based on the finishing of sewing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the production per line.
So you want the same thing but with the order instead. And
yes, their style and the BO.
Yeah. Well, it should be this one. It loads. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I don't know how well you can see it. Okay. Yeah. So should have more than this. Mining and pack final audits. We seem to be missing a few.
The product type or style at the beginning, and then the BO number.
And a PO number as well, did you say?
Yeah, style first and then BO number.
Okay, no worries. Let me just grab an order number. I just wanted to see if we can filter for a specific order. And then it's easy. Okay, there. That's easy to see. So, so at the moment so we've got the order code, the PO. So you want the client PO here first? Did you say?
Yeah, the product, client or product, and then the order.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. So at the moment it was just doing the order code, the product. We need to make it a bit bigger, the columns, and then it should have been giving you. And then it would have given along here the quantities that need to be done per week. Let me scroll to the right because it seems to be going way in the past. There we go. So let me change to that date range as well. We don't want it to 60 for this report.
التقرير اللي بقول عليه ده ممكن يكون طبعينه والبورد يبقى عندك ايه تطلع منه الشيبنج بلان على طول
زي الفل.
العميل الاوردر هيخلص على السيونج امتى؟ طلع منه الشيبنج بلان
زي الفل.
عايز تحسب
هيخلص على السيونج امتى؟ هتعملها من انهي حته فيه؟ ايه معانا كونفرنس كول. كيف يا ريس؟ حبيبي انا بس عايز احنا معانا كونفرنس كول من انجلترا علشان البرنامج بتاع التخطيط الفاست رياكت. انا غلبت مع الشباب اللي عندك عشان يتكلموا بصراحه. لما وصلت لطريق مسدود بكلمك.
يعني يومك
عند احمد وعند عادل غير ملتزمين بمواعيد الكونفرنس كول. انا بعملها علشانهم. الكلام ده معاد مكرر يعني لكن هم انا بعيد الكره من تاني عشان شريف فراج. الكلام ده كله اتقال لشريف فراج بعيده معاهم تاني. عارفين من الاسبوع اللي فات ان في كونفرنس كول النهارده 10:30 لحد دلوقتي ولا حد دخل. هم بيتهربوا من المسؤوليه بس معلش انا لن اعفيهم من المسؤوليه. لا انا بتكلم على طيب حلو. انا بتكلم على الفاست رياكت اللي احنا شاريينه ودافعين فيه فلوس ده. لو سمحت شكرا.
Progress and okay, perfect. So let's try that again. Sorry, forgot one thing. There's someone to do. Sorry.
في 150 كيلو زياده، عايزك تاخد 60 كيلو خد. شوف عند محمد زاهر، مش كنت جايب 900 كيلو؟ مسبقين 760 بس، يعني في 140 كيلو موجودين، خد لك منهم 60 كيلو. لا ماله؟ لا ولا ربع كيلو. ماشي حبيبي، اسال محمد زاهر كده، جايز يكون عنده توبيه ولا حاجه. ماشي حبيبي بس.
Product, and then we go for the code. Again. Save. Okay. Okay, so let's just add that product type now. Okay, save.
هو التقرير ده ما ينفعش يتحول اكسل بعد كده؟
ينفع. لا اللي بتاعهم اي حاجه من الفاست رياكت ينفع تحولها اكسل عادي.
اوكي.
بس انت قول
ممكن مخرج التقرير ده
Oh, too bad.
مع المعادله كده نهايه السول ازود 7 بعديها يبقى اديني اكس فاكتوريتين.
نهايه اخر يوم في السيول
ازود عليه الاسبوع اللي بعديها اول ما اكون الشحن كده يديك تاريخ الشحن.
حلو قوي. Sheikh, a question, Sheikh, here.
Yep.
Could we export the planning data to an this report? It's easy to export to an Excel format, right?
Not to an Excel format per se, but we can go to a CSV. So we can give the same data effectively, which you can then pivot and manipulate in an Excel spreadsheet.
Yeah.
Sheikh, we need the product to the first column.
So the first column, apologies.
Yes.
So say products in the first one. Did you say?
Yes.
Product, client PO.
صباح الفل.
Client product type, client PO, and the work order.
So do you not need the products code, the style code?
Yeah, we need it. Okay. But the style code or product is the first column.
Drop that there. Telecom.
التقرير ده يغنيك بأي حاجة.
هات ورقة بس ماشي، بس هات ورقة. أنا راضي مراجعة كمان.
التقرير ده يغنيك عن أي حاجة.
والله.
هو ده 90% منه يعني.
والله طب حلو قوي.
هو ده التقرير الشافي يعني.
PO.
هو البرود ستايل يعني مثلا تي سي دي. يديك الستايل مثلا 30 15 121 مثلا. واوردرات بعديه الستايل بيبقى عليه 6 7 اوردرات. تمام. اللي هو البي او نمبر بتاع العميل والبي او ورك اوردر بتاعنا بالكود اللي هو
حلو. تمام.
وخلصان امتى؟ خلص هينتج امتى؟ خلص بقى السيونج بعد كده خلصت، ممكن تديله ديليفري تحطه بعدين. بعد ما نحوله اكسل واقوم مزود اسبوع.
تمام، وتزود اسبوع ده اديلك كل حاجه. يعني تاخد اخر تاريخ من ده عليه برودكشن.
بزود اخر يوم، تزود على 6 ايام او اسبوع او 5 ايام. في عملاء بتحتاج يومين 3 في اسبوع عشان تطبع.
يعني ادي كلاينت بي او مش مهم انت عندك.
بس انا قاعد هو دلوقتي بنظبط. بس انا عايز اهم حاجه يديني الستايل ده يبقى رقم واحد. اصل هو حاطط البي او. البي او ده هتلاقي مثلا البي او ده وريه يعني الستايل ده فيه 6 بي او.
ده احنا لو طلعنا النهارده من قعده النهارده بالتقرير ده يبقى كفايه. انت محتاج احمد في حاجه؟ ماشي. كان معاك واحد، انت داخل معاك واحد. تمام. طب ما تشوفوا محتاج احمد فين كده. فتح اذن انت بتعرف تفتحه؟ محمد كام بيعرف يفتحه؟
عندك في 50 او 60 40
باشمهندس
على واحد يبقى
صباح الفل. انا بكلمك بس لما بستنفذ كل طاقتي وبوصل لحته سد فبكلمك. احنا في كونفرنس كول دلوقتي مع بتوع فاست، وانا بعمل الكونفرنس كول دي مره ثانيه علشان التيم بتاعك في العاشر. يعني احنا قاعدين بنستهلك في اي وقت عقبال ما هم يدخلوا، ودي مش اول مره. احمد حكيم وعادل واخدين الموضوع بتكياسه شويه. يعني المفروض عارفين ان في، هم اللي محددين ميعاد النهارده وعارفين ان في كونفرنس كول النهارده الساعه 10:30 والساعه 11 دلوقتي اهو، ولا واحد منهم دخل.
So let's just save. So sad, sorry. So I'll show you what I think it's that. Board plan. So Sad, this is what it would look like in Excel.
الميعاد ده من الاسبوع، الميل ده من الاسبوع اللي فات. احنا متفقين على الميعاد ده من احمد ما قالكش؟
Oh, I can see him in there. I should try to let him in.
I can't see anything. Still client PO at the beginning.
Hi Ahmed, can you hear us?
You make it. We need the product is at the beginning, at the first column.
Sorry, say that again. So this one, so that's what
we need the product. The product one.
This
the
one.
Product. Yes. This TCB 3014892. This is the beginning. Because this is a product, this including many internal BO. So we ship it in one time.
انا بستاذنك يا باشمهندس احمد، الحاجات الكونفرنس كولز دي مش هتتعاد مره ثانيه. اللي هيتقال في الكونفرنس ده هيتطبق من بكره، واللي مش هيطلع نتائج من السيستم هيتحمل ثمن الشير بتاع الدهيه في السيستم، لان احنا مش جايبين شركه من الجيزه علشان تعمل لنا سيستم. الشركه دي بتمص دم قلبنا. ما ينفعش يبقى في ميعاد زي كده.
Looking good?
So, yeah, thank you. Very good.
Okay. So yeah, just at the moment I've got it filtered for a single order. So you can obviously, if you want to clear that.
التريننج ده لو حضرته تقدر تطبق من بكره.
Don't know if you can see it too well, but it says order.order code.
Yes.
Okay. And then all you have to do if you want to filter for one specific order, you just type the order code in these boxes here.
لو عادل وقع في مشكله تكنيكالي تقدر تحلها
So this box and this box. But if I just remove those, okay. Sorry. I set it to blank. That will do it for everything now. So obviously this will be a bigger report, but we'll now see the entire thing.
Yeah, this will get all orders loaded.
Yeah. So all the orders that fall within the date range that we've defined.
Yes.
So it may take a while to run this report, but we'll see how we get.
Actually, this is will be the mainly report we will get it from the FastReact. We can get start and finish sewing, and we can get the shipping date for the orders.
Yes, actually, yeah. You can get that from here as well. So let's go back to while that runs in the background. So, I mean, I can give you if you want. Actually,
طيب لو سمحتوا الحقوا السيشن، ادخلوا، والحاجات اللي هتتشرح في السيشن النهارده دي هو الراجل بدأ يشرح الريبورتات. شوفوا المهندس احمد عايز وتطبقوا عليها التريننج بتاع النهارده ده، وعلى السريع ادخلوا لان الراجل خلاص احنا قاعدين رابطينه بنتكلم في اي كلام هضم وعايزه علشان لحد ما انتوا تدخلوا. ماشي، شكرا يا باشمهندس. مع السلامه.
So you're saying would you want the start date on top of this as well, or?
Yes, this is what is showing the start.
Yeah, so yeah, so so on that line.
Yeah. Is there any way we can take by query or whatever an information from the SQL server from FastReact database to our ERP in terms of the last planning date, for example, the total planned quantity, for example?
Unfortunately, no, because of the way FastReact works. Quite a lot of that data isn't stored in the database until it's saved. Also, until the plan's saved and closed, and actually everything gets uploaded back to the database. So that's why we tend to always use the reports in system rather than SQL reports. But if it's obviously it is your database, you can query if you want to, but obviously you have to be very, very careful with stuff like that, because there's no we don't support query writing within FastReact. It's all through that report writer.
Okay. Bahia team. Bahia, Ahmed Hakim.
Yes.
Adil.
Yes.
Any questions? Now Sheikh is explaining the reports. Now you have the orders. You know how to use the planning boards, both high level and low level. Now Sheikh is explaining the sort of reports you can print from the planning data. So, do you have any questions related to the data you want to show in the reports? The kind of data per product, per style? Sheikh is sharing his screen. So interact and ask. Go ahead and ask Sheikh if you want to know how to print this report, how to change the filter, how to change the sequence of the data, how to do whatever. Because starting tomorrow, you can use this report, this feature, to print what you have already have in your planning board. Go ahead, ya shabab.
Mr. Adil, you can ask Sheikh for what you want to display or fields for this report.
Sheikh.
Hello. Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Please, I need to add to this report the client, because I see now TCP, and then TCP, and then DNS. So if we add at the beginning the client only, we can get all TCP in one paper, and then DNS, and then.
So come again, sorry, I didn't catch. So the last bit. So you're saying you want to do the report by customer instead?
Yes, the customer at the beginning and product.
Okay, so we'll go back then to the configuration area. Okay, so we'll just go to the designer and we select the report. Okay, so now I want the customer.
New مثلا report ولا ايه؟
نسميه ريبورت ماستر ريبورت. ده تسمى الماستر ريبورت.
يعني
الماستر ريبورت اللي هو السوق. ده طلع منه السوق. ده طلع منه امتى حياته. هو في عميل انا هحمله واقول لك الاوردر ده يخلص امتى من حياته. دي ترمينا على الثمن ده اكشن.
Okay, so what we're going to do then here. So I've added the customer then, so I'll just subtotal by that customer as well.
عملنا اعلان عن كذا وظيفه، جالنا كذا ابلكيشن.
Okay, so now we can
وصلناهم للديبارتمنت بناء على الفيدباك بتاع الديبارتمنت كذا قال كذا، والفيدباك ينقل الفيدباك. ما وظفناش حاجه عن طريق يعني. تمام؟ يقرا. برافو عليك. عندك حق. برافو عليك. وعملت الاعلان. طيب هو ادى محمد عبده فورمه اعلان كده، اداله طلب عايز مهندس ميكانيكي كذا كذا. تمام؟ ابعت له بقى الفورمه مع بروفايل، الفورمه الجديده يملى عليها واللي انا وهو كاتب ميل HR@ مش عارف ايه كذا، فاقول له ما بنكتبش ميل، هي بتيجي على ميلات الشركه. هبعتها له في ميل افضل. بعتها له في الميل بقى احسن. برافو. ما برافو، وتمنع الاحتكاك. ماشي. هو بيحاول يقلل الكلاينت مش كده؟
بيزود الكاستمر في الاول. اي يوزر او عايز مش على التلفزيون. ماشي برضه يدور وياخد ايه.
ممكن كمان يعني
العملاء تطلع للتي سي بي على طول. تعمل ريبورت باسم التي سي بي والفلتر بتاع التي سي بي يبقى جاهز عادي.
لو واحد بقى عايز يطبع
باشمهندس join us now.
كل العملاء يطبع.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very, very good.
So yeah, now you get it by page, so you get all your DNS together, then you will have all your TCP.
البرودكت والستايله باوردراته اللي هي تابعه ليه، صح؟ والكلر مش ظاهر لي. هو بيظهر هنا الكولر ولا بيظهر الكود بس؟
يظهر الكود.
عايزين هو we are saying operation name shake.
Okay, so
and file audit.
Sewing بس.
We need only sewing.
Only ones that are left on this order code. So let's have a look.
We need sewing and the graduated of beaches production per day. And we need to see the color also. We can you can make it on this report.
Sorry, what? So come again?
Color.
Color, yes. So we can add the color in there as well. So
yes.
Just on the ones that you're saying where it's DNS 0 2 0 0 1. Come on.
باشمهندس سعد.
ازيك
يا باشا، ازيك يا باشمهندس شاكر؟
اهلا فندم، ازيك؟
ممكن بس اعرف هو الريبورت ده بيعمل ايه؟
اقول لك. انت لما تخلص ترص مشاريعك كلها، الريبورت ده يعني بص هو ده المين ريبورت بقى.
تمام.
العميل وبعد كده الستايل وبعد كده الاوردر والكاستمر بي او والانترنال بي او واللون، وهينتج من امتى لامتى. انت لو طبعت التقرير ده كل يوم، اي واحد اي عميل او اي مارشندايزر او اي بتاع انتاج يطبع التقرير دوت، تشوف الاوردر هيبدا هياكل من امتى لامتى. ده طبقا اللي انت محمله على البورد.
تمام.
يعني ده التقرير الرئيسي يعني اللي انت ممكن تستخدمه، وبناء عليها انت ممكن تقوم واخده بعد كده محوله اكسل شيت، وتقوم مزود عليه بعد نهايه الحياكه. مثلا خلص مثلا يوم 30/7 لما انت محمله في التقرير، تزود عليه مثلا يومين 3 اسبوع زي ما انت شايف، ويدي لك الشيبنج ديت.
تمام. ده بيجي منين يا باشمهندس؟ من ريبورتس وبعد كده
هو عامل الريبورت دلوقتي شيك بيعمله، بس انا كنت بقول له يزود بس اللون ويزود ويشيل الاوبريشن.
مش بيجي منين؟ بيجي من ريبورت، صح؟
هو شغال فيه بيعمله. هو شغال فيه بيعمله.
اصل الاضاءه الصوره صغيره قوي، فمش عارف هو داس على ايه اصلا، مش شايف يعني.
خليه يقولوا لنا من الاول مراحله ايه.
طيب ماشي.
Okay, sorry. So yeah, you're asking as to why you can only see those operations. That's purely because the operations for this order, so the sewing and the cutting, are in the past. So it's just fallen outside of our date filter. That's why. Because I was filtering from today going forward. So if I change the date filter on this. Yeah, so let me just, if I was to say we had it in the past for 2 weeks in the past, so you can at least see what was made. And then also I've created another version of it, so it's operation plan.
يدخل الريبورت دوت يعرفوا كل يوم يطبعوا، يجيب لك الريبورت بالبي او بالرمضان كله، يطبع يدي لك كل اوردر يخلص انت حياتك. اللي هو متحمل على البورد. لو في مشكله في اوردر بيعلم عليه بقى، يكلم المارشندايزر بتاع التخطيط يقول له حطه قدام.
Okay, now we've got 4 orders that are missing. We've not got the one that we were looking for. Okay, yeah. So if you ever see it like this,
Can you make it bigger?
Sorry.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes. Customer, product, client BO, order code.
Yeah, so as I say, so if you ever just see it where it's just got one operation, then that's just because the other operations are outside of the date range that's been defined on the report. That's all it is. Okay. Is that clear?
وقت في الجو. ليه الاوبريشن بيظهر فجأة جنب الاوردر؟
Could we have the sewing operation only on this order sheet? On this report, we need only the sewing operation?
Oh, so
Because most of the operations, whether it's final, audit or packing, we don't import production figures on those operations. We import production figures for the cutting and sewing.
Okay, so for the sewing, what we can do there is, give me a second. So we can just filter out just for the sewing then. If I can remember how we termed it. So let me just double check what if we go on. Not on the first page. Of course.
غير مؤمن عليه. طب نأمن عليها مفيش مشكلة.
اضغط على قد ما تقدر. تبعته؟ الايه؟ انهي؟
اللي احنا مش مؤمن عليها عندنا.
لا.
عندنا. احنا عايزين نأمن عليها.
انسى.
Okay, so Saad.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, for the one that you're going for the if you want to just filter out the
انا عارف انا
sewing.
Just a minute, Sheikh. Just a minute.
Okay.
هي دي والواد ده مش مؤمن عليهم، عايزين نأمن عليهم. طب يا جماعه هاتوا لنا ما برنت تأمينات يثبت ان انتم مش هتأمن عليكم بره عشان نأمن عليكم. خلاص مش هنأمن عليها بره، هنأمن عليها.
I think Sheikh, can you back to the report?
حبيبي خلي الموظف يجري ورا حد وانا
Sorry.
Can you back to the report?
Yes, so let me just add the filter.
I need to show something to you.
ما اعرفش حضرتك.
Okay.
ايوه ماشي، ما هو الكلام ده النهارده مش قبل كده. احنا قايلين لها قبل كده. قايلين لها قبل كده هي والواد قلنا هنأمن عليكم هنا. ليه هو واحد؟ لا هو واحد. انت بس اديني واحد بس. انا بتكلم على كيس النهارده، قبل كده ما كنتش اعرف ظروف. هم 5% الاثنين مش متأمن عليكم، يا جماعه عايزين نأمن عليكم هنا.
Okay, yeah.
ان انتوا مش متأمن عليكم بره.
Can you go to the operation?
طلع مش متأمن.
Yes, sewing, yeah. Maybe the last customer cotton CJ, cotton gallery, this is already finished, so it's already not showing the sewing. I think.
Sorry, say again.
Maybe the last customer cotton gallery CJ, the last one, the previous one, is on final audit and ironing only because it's already finished from sewing.
Yes, correct. So it's already in the past. So it's
we can conclusion from this one. Any order finished from sewing will not see it on this report.
No, yes, you will see it if it was finished in sewing within the past week. So look, you see here, we've got the made column.
Yes.
So this is how many. So for example, on this order, we've made 4,300 pieces. So you will see it. It's all about the date.
Yes.
The date. So as you see, within this date period, because before this, it won't show on the report.
Yeah, it's made the mix done already from sewing at which dates?
Before this, yeah.
It's already showed 4,307 pieces done already from sewing, finished from sewing.
Yep.
Oh, at this date, please go right now to say the dates. This is the date of production.
Oh, so you want the date of production? Did you say?
Yes. When this produced, you can see it on this one in the report.
لا this produced ممكن على
How would you? Because the only problem with that is obviously you may
It's already
produce.
done. It's already done.
No. So the ones to the right, yeah. So this one here is already done. Okay.
Yes.
But it doesn't show the date because with the updates you could have done 1,000 yesterday and 1,000 again today.
انا مش عارف اركز في تقريب التليفون. خليك معايا خليك معايا.
بص يا بيه، ممكن كشف عليها على السيستم عندنا احنا هنا.
So this report they made already what produced already from this people.
ايوه ما هو ما ضافش معلومه. هنا عارفين احنا مش
Can you add color shake please?
Okay, but are you okay with the main? Does that make sense?
Yes. This means that this 4,300 pieces is already finished from sewing, already done.
Correct. Yeah.
Can you add the color, please?
Yeah. So if I can remember where we put the color.
هيظبط يا بيه على طول الحاجات الخاصه دي كلها.
I believe it's a UDF.
ولو عايزها.
Yeah. Okay. So, okay. So we just add the user file field.
استنى ما يخلص وبعد كده نرجع نقول له
انا بوسع دي كده.
كبر لنا.
It's already there. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so color, yeah. So just add the color after the order code. Is that okay? Or
Yes, color, not color code.
Yep. So where would you like it?
It's color name, black, white, navy.
Yeah, but where in the sequence? So
at the left of PO number, work order number.
Okay.
After work order number.
After, did you say? So
after work order number, yes.
Okay. No repeating cell. Save.
Customer and product.
There you go.
مش شايفين الورك اوردر كود.
الو ثم تاخد معاش.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Cool.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, it's very nice. Thank you, Sheikh.
No problem. Have you been able to open it yourself?
Yes. Save. Yeah.
And you're comfortable with saving it to Excel? You know how to?
What?
Do you know how to save to Excel?
Yeah, please save it.
No, I mean, do you know
under sewing master report?
But so I'm saying, do you know how to export to Excel?
ازاي يتحول للاكسل؟ يعني هو بيسال احنا نعرف بيتحول ازاي بالاكسل؟
Yes, Sheikh, please.
Okay, so let me show. Okay, so to show you to export it to Excel, it's just this save icon. I'm not sure if you can see it too well, but it says save report to file. Okay, and then it will bring up this window to allow you to select where you want to place it.
Please wait, Sheikh, because the engineer Shakir is as a side call to see this one.
Hello. احسبي له الايام اللي جايه. طب انا معايا كونفرنس خدنا خلاص مناخية يوم الخميس لا خلاص مش
حاجات مهمه جدا. هو عمل التقرير كده بالفورمه بتاعتنا وهو بيحوله لاكسل. اوكي شيك نجيب شاكر ناوي جوين اس
Okay. Yeah. So just for checkers.
Yeah.
So you can see it. So yeah, just to save to Excel, it's the nice old save, the floppy disk at the top. Okay, and then it will just point you to where you want to save it on your local machine. We just call it master. So plan, and you save as normal, and that's it. And then it's now saved on the desktop somewhere. Let's minimize that. Have a look. Should be somewhere.
سيبه كده وهياخده يرميه في اي مكان تاني.
سيبه مش CSV فايل مش اكسل فايل.
Yeah, and then yes, so opens up as a CSV, and there you go. So you now have it in Excel. Okay.
Okay. We can add at this Excel sheet at the beginning, at the end of the report, the finishing date of sewing, the last date. We can add the shipping date, so we can get automatically the shipping date for HBO.
So
this is we will make it internally.
Oh, okay. Save, that's fine.
Please save this report formula under master sewing report.
Master sewing report, yeah, we could do that.
Master sewing report, yes, no, please.
In FastReact, you mean?
In FastReact, yes.
Yeah, so let me just rename, that's fine. Let me change it to...
كيف
اوكي
الثانيه باللاين بالحاجات دي مش ده ال 90% من يبقى هو تاني
بس حلو.
اوكي شيك ثانك يو.
Yeah, so that's there now. So if you go, okay, so it should be there. So let me delete that one. Yeah, we could delete that as well. Okay. So yeah, if you go under production, operations schedule by order, and then you have the master sewing reports.
Okay. This is we can get it. This is for Kazarin and Fayoum. We can Adil Bahia can make it same for Bahia orders.
So this one's for all orders at the moment. So it will show if the Bahia orders are in the plan, it will show that. So yeah. do you want to filter out by plant as well?
Yeah.
So one
yes, okay.
One for Bahia and one for Kazarin?
Yes.
Okay. So that's no problem. If I can remember. Okay. Plan group. Property. We should quickly check something.
شاشتنا خلاص. اصلا لما بكبر احيانا الحته بيكون بيشتغل فوق ما بيبانش.
It's the consolidate property I want. Okay. Not this one. Consolidate property. Save. That's the sewing reports. Okay. So okay, so this one will be for Bahia. PH. So Bahia. Okay, so I'm guessing there's nothing on the behavior plan just yet. That's fine. So in this one to okay.
احسن كده عشان ما يظهرليش كل اوردرات بهيه معايا ولا هو يشوف اوردرات.
بالظبط. فلتر من الاول. فلتر.
Okay, so yeah, now just add the Kazarine filter in. Okay. Preview print. Oh, so yeah, a second. Let me just double check the spots correctly. It's just Kazarine. Apologies.
ممكن اي عميل من اي حته بره لو على الباسورد يدخل، عميل زي كي بي لو على الباسورد يدخل يقوم طابع الريبورت ده شاف كل اوردراته خلصانه لو هو مع الباسورد. ده اذا مسموح له يعني. خليل يدخل يطبع جاب له بوردور وهارد روك.
هيجيب له كل الناس
بوردور وهارد روك، ولا عايز يخش يجيب كازارين كمان ماشي، اسامه ممكن يدخل يشوف.
Possibly case numbers or cases. Okay, yeah, so okay. Okay, so yeah, now there are now 2 reports there. So you've got one for Kazarine and one for Bahia.
اوكي. ده كلامك كمان ربع ساعه عشان في كونفرنس كول بس معلش. ماشي بعد اذنك. ماشي شكرا. مع السلامه.
Sorry, apologies. Okay, so are you okay with that?
Yes, very good. Can you go through the paper, down the paper to check any other orders, the individual, the production pieces per day, so like TCB, like anything else?
Sorry?
Can you go to another paper, this one?
Sorry, so another page, you say? Sorry, I was only previewing the first page only, so it wasn't working.
Yeah. Oh, Lord.
We do it again. Okay, so we've got quite a few DNS orders. DNS, subtotal for DNS. Why is it not subtotal made? I'm surprised. Okay, so yeah, so the first one DNS, and then we have, is that MCC? Oh, DQ. Apologies. Yeah, DQ. So Dairy Queen, and then the MCC. Yeah, and then you got your TCP.
TCP اهو. ادي الستايل، ادي
عامل له الستايل وبوردراته.
البي او البيوهات بتاعته. وادي الاوردرات بتاعته بالالوان اهي. وبعدين ادي الاوبريشن كله سيوي تمام.
وده اللي خلص من الحياكه.
وده اللي خلص من الحياكه.
Sheikh, what about that not finished from sewing? It's already distributed to the per day.
Sorry. So you mean the planned per day?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. So the dates along the top. Yeah. So this is what's left to remaining to produce.
Yes.
So that's what you would see here.
Not
If there was anything
produced.
left.
Non-produced pieces already distributed on the date.
يعني هل معناه ال 179 دول ميد؟ ها؟ دول ميد ايه؟ دول ميد حياكات.
خلصوا
حياكات وهم كلهم في السموك ده 179 حته؟
عايزين نعرف بقى ممكن نزود البي او كوانتيتي.
خلي بالك
لا ده بلانت.
انت لازم تزود البلاند كوانتيتي، البي او كوانتيتي والبلاند كوانتيتي.
لا مش عايزين البلاند، مش مشكله، انا حاجه البي او كوانتيتي.
البي او كوانتيتي
Can we add sheet for this report? So PO quantity after operation or after color?
Yeah.
Yeah, PO quantity after color.
Apologies, the screen's very small on this end. There we go. Save.
كده تمام.
كده التقرير ده افتكاس النهارده بصراحه. يعني ده لمم لك كل حاجه. البلاننج بورد عكسها عندك.
So where did you say you wanted it? Sorry again.
PO quantity.
Where? So
order quantity after color.
After color.
Yes.
Which is
شامل التايم اكشن. نسيج بدايه والنهايه، سباقه بدايه والنهايه، قص بدايه والنهايه،
لكل لون، لكل اوردر بس مش لون.
هو اوردر لون،
اوردر
ولون.
بس النسيج عندك اوردر لون؟
نسيج اوردر بس الداينج لون.
الداينج لون
والطباعه والتطريز. يعني بيبقى عامل تقرير زي ده كده بس بيضاف عليه مراحل القماش. وخلصان حياك امتى؟ وخلصان وهتشحن امتى؟ وتاريخ شحن العميل. وبضيف عليها كمان الابروفلز، اكسسوارات توافق عليها ولا ما توافقش؟ اللاب ديبس توافق عليها ولا ما توافقش؟ بقى حته تقرير كامل.
طب امسك بقى في الحته دي، لان دي يعني كل اللي فات ده النهارده خلص. الابروفلز بقى، الابروفلز دي التايم اند اكشن بلان، الايفنتس، الاكتيفيتيز نعملها المره الجايه عندهم.
Okay, so yeah, there you go.
اكيد ده بالمية.
كان موجوده في
الداتا هتيجي.
Let me just center align that. Apologies. Looks better.
اسأله كده عشان هو ما بيفهموش عليا. اسأل عادل كده، قول له عايز تضيف حاجه في التقرير كانك بتساعده.
عادل انت معانا ولا خرجت؟
معاك يا باشا، معاك. انا لسه كنت هتدخل بس قلت هسيبه يخلص الاول.
ده يعني ايه، انا بالنسبه لي كشغل انا بيكفيني. لو انت عايز نسختك انت
والله يا باشمهندس انا لسه بحبي فاهم. فانا اول تريننج اللي انا خدته معاك الاسبوع اللي فات، الاسبوع اللي قبل اللي فات، فانا يعني لسه بقول بسم الله يعني. تمام. بس انا كان نفسي يعني first of all check, can you show the report for Bahia factory?
Yeah. So we have the version.
بس لو انت عايز اي فورم التقرير تثبتها عندك ممكن تخلي شيك يعملها لك عادي يعني.
Let me just
يعني بس انا قلت له على التقرير ده اللي هو بيترجم لي السي كلها وممكن اطلع منه شيك.
طبعا يعني طبعا ممتاز، ما انا فهمت طبعا يعني شايف الخطوات.
لو انت عايز اي فورم، لو انت عايز تعدل عليه التقرير ينفعك انت براحتك اللي انت عايزه.
تمام.
يعني ما بفرضش عليك حاجه يعني. ده
هو
بتاعت.
مش اكتر من الطلبات يا باشمهندس بتيجي لما الحاجه تبقى فيزيكال قدامك وتشوف مشاكلها ايه، فعلى اساسها تاخد رد فعل وتحللها.
اكيد طبعا. اكيد طبعا.
Chad, this is for Bahia factory.
Yes, correct. So this is so our master sewing plan for Bahia.
هو ده موجود لبهيه والكزارين. لو انت عايز تبقى تعمل تقرير تاني تضيف عليه حاجه او تزود عليه حاجه براحتك.
لا مش قصدي، يعني هو مكان ينفع يتفلتر
هو عمل واحد لبهيه وواحد لكزارين. انا خليته يفلتره.
بس الاوردرات كله مع بعض.
اوردرات بهيه هياخدها بهيه معموله العميل اهوت الكاستمر اهوت في الاول. عايز تفلتر بعد كده على عميل واحد.
تمام ماشي اوكي فهمت. يعني هو الريبورت واحد تمام يتعمل له
للعملاء بتوعك بتوع بهيه.
تمام
والكزارين عملاء منفصلين.
انا فاهم، بس هنا دلوقتي ماستر سيوينج فور بهيه بس فيها الاوردرات بتاعتك
كلها. كل الاوردرات بتاعتك انت. كل عملاء
يعني واحد بعد كده يحوله الاكسل ويفلتر بقى وياخد اللي يخصه
براحتك.
صح كده؟
مظبوط.
بس انا مش شايف اوردرات لبرومودورو مثلا.
نعم. ما هو دينيس ده تبعي. ما هو فاتح بتاعت كزارين.
بس هي مكتوب
هي.
نعم. تقول ايه؟
هو فاتح الريبورت كان مكتوب عليه بهيه. ماستر سيوينج بهيه التايتل فوق يا باشمهندس.
خليه بس نغيره ماشي.
Sheikh, sorry, you can show the report again, please.
Yeah, sorry, apologies. Yeah, I don't think. Sorry, just wondering if the filter is working. So I was looking at the order, the orders you have, so don't seem to be matching on the.
اللي فوق ده كاتب بهيه. ده غير المسمى بتاعه.
Because we should be seeing Pomodoro orders.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah.
Our client begin with 02, not 01.
Yes, so yours, 02. So why is that done that? Let me just have a quick double check. Here. Embroidery, okay. This is so small. So BH knitwear. Okay. Okay. So I was just checking on the configuration for each of the factories to make sure they're grouped correctly. Maybe I've just. Yes. Okay, so I'm not sure why that's not working actually. I mean, I need to have a look at this. For some reason, the filtering isn't working for Bahia. There's a problem with that. So leave that one with me, and I will work on that Bahia report for you.
This is for Kazarin. This report for Kazarin, Sheikh.
Yes, that's the problem. Yeah, it's for some reason it's not pulling in the Bahia orders, so I need to investigate.
Yeah, please, can you change the report name to Sewing Master Kazarin?
Yes, so there is a Kazarin one. Sorry, look, see, there is a Kazarin. There's a Kazarin and Bahia one. So yours, the Kazarine one is fine. So you can use that as normal. The Bahia one has a problem. It's not working. So I need to fix it separately.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, sorry, Shay, can you open for Kazarine? Just a minute.
Okay, yeah. Excuse me.
Yes. Check, rename the report, Mr. Saad.
Yeah, there's master sewing Kazarine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Update it. Okay, Shaq, thanks.
No problem. Okay. So is
عادل لو محتاج اي حاجه ما نشيك براحتك بقى.
For report for Bahia can make a update by before يعني by today, end of the day, or
yes. So yeah, I can. I'll email you and let you know once it's resolved.
inshallah. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks.
Any other queries?
محتاج اي حاجه.
Till this moment, no.
No problem.
هي هيظبطوا ويبعتوا.
So is that all from yourself as well, Saad?
Yeah, it's sufficient to me, this report.
Perfect. Okay, so as I said, I will follow up then. So I will try and fix that report for Bahia then and forward that to you today. And then obviously if there's any other issues in the meantime, you know, or any problems, you know, drop me an email. Otherwise, we've got a call next week where we can wrap up and.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Chief, could we have, before we end this meeting,
Okay,
thank you very much for the effort you have done today for this report. Actually, it will help both sides to have a look at the orders.
Yes.
Can we have in quick this report? You know, we have three activities actually.
Mm-hmm.
This report will cover the first activity, which is the planning quantities, and we can base the shipping plan based on this report.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Actually, I need also, maybe we can write it down and follow up in the next week call.
Mm-hmm.
Report for the capacity, for the free capacity.
So loaded versus free capacity.
Loaded versus free capacity.
Yeah.
That is number one. And report for the material demand status.
Yeah. So that that one I've already got one for you that should have.
Yeah.
Probably, I should have soon. So yeah, both of those reports I can have to you before the call next week.
Okay, fine. So next week will be we will review again.
Yeah.
We will play around with this report.
Yep.
Adil, do you hear me?
Yes, for sure.
Ahmed Hakim, do you hear me? Ahmed? Okay. Adil, please play around with this report in terms of filter, data, totals, accuracy, functionality, and we'll come back next week with your remarks for Sheikh and our needs for the capacity, the loaded and the capacity and free capacity report. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Sheikh.
No problem at all, guys.
This is perfect. Please review the OMAT file and give me a feedback for any. And I'll also will send you a copy of the database after we finish.
Perfect. That'll be great. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. It's a pleasure as always. We'll speak to you next week.
Please, could you export this report to me so we can add it to our system?
So which bit? Sorry.
Those those report, the report you just modified, you modified the report in your system.
No. So this is on your live. Sorry.
This is on
So
our
it's-
database.
Yes. So you should be able to see it now. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So if you log into the reports area, all the changes I made today are there.
Perfecto. Thank you very much.
No worries, guys. All right.
Thank you.
Take care.
Take care of yourself and stay safe.
You too. All right
You
then.
too.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.